let's start today. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My dear students, today we're going to discuss about energy. What is energy? Energy means ability to do work. You have a capacity, you have an energy to do something. In the same way, energy in different forms like light energy, heat energy, sound energy. These are the types of energy. So the energy that helps you to do work or that is an ability to do something, especially work. Energy in physics, the capacity for doing work. It may exist in potential, kinetic, thermal, electrical, chemical, nuclear, or other various form. In physics, what we are going to discuss, we just discuss about the work. So these are also the types, and in the form of energy we can take potential energy, like you can say that in water, when water falls from up and it will comes down, it has potential energy. Okay, in the same form, in electrical cell, kinetic energy from the movement of the things. When something is moved, you can say that it has kinetic energy. Thermal, due to heat. Electrical energy, in also you can say that in cells, in electrical instrument, the wire, the electricity. Chemical energy, the chemical react with one another. Nuclear energy, the energy present in the atom and in its nucleus. There are moreover heat and work. Energy is the process of transfer from one body to another. What happened? Energy mostly, it's just in the process of transfer from one body to another. So for example, if something is hot, any spoon, you put that spoon on the fire, the tip of the spoon that will be in the fire start to increase in its temperature. But after a few minutes, you will feel that the second end of the tube or the second end of the spoon also start to hot. It means energy can transfer. So till here about the energy. If you have any question, my dear, you can raise your hand. Otherwise type no. Hurry up quickly. Thank you. Well done. Very nice. Excellent. Okay. Okay. That's great. That's excellent. Now I'm going to move back on your textbook page. So here, what you can see, we all need energy. We get from, let me a little bit zoom in. Yeah. From chemical reactions, energy heats our home and power industry. Energy from the chemical reaction inside our bodies keep us all alive. So you maybe think that how this energy make us warm, or that going inside our body and this chemical reactions are going on in our body and we have no problem, but the chemicals are very dangerous. Okay, I will tell you. Whatever the food you're going to eat, bread, patatas, or chicken, burger, pizza, drinks, anything, gawa, shawarma. Okay, please, biryani, yes, Ahmad Ali, type in the chat, okay, in the chat, okay, because this all recording is going on. So if you are going to speak something, it will be recorded. Now, so these all things, yes, Abdullah Salim, the kabsa also I know, and Albek also you like very much. Okay, so these all things just we take from our mouth and they will enter to our stomach. What happening there? There, oh my God, there is a process that is named as digestion. The digestion starts there. It's going to break down all the big pieces of the foods into smaller and smaller and smaller units in the form of small packets we name as energy packets, or the molecules that after digestion will go in our blood and become the part of our blood, from where we get proteins, from where we get carbohydrates, we get fats, lipids. Each these kinds of foods, whatever we're going to eat, after digestion, after breakdown, they give us energy. However, chemical reacts, we get a transfer of energy. The energy usually ends up as heat. Mostly this happens. Sometimes we also get light energy or sound energy as well. The example in front of you here is a cracker. You can see that chemical energy in these fireworks is transferred to heat, because when fire starts, their temperature is increased. Light, you also can see the light here, and sound, you also can hear the sound. Smoke is also coming from here. So can you think of a reaction which give out heat, light, and sound? Yeah, the example in front of you. It's very easy. Okay, my dear, till here, if you have any question, you can raise your hand. Otherwise, type no. Quickly. Well done. Very nice. Excellent, Salim, Basil, Marwan. Good. Well done. Great, great. Well done, all of you. If I skip someone's name, please don't mind, because when you're going to type no, there are many names are coming and they are moved so quickly. So I can't read your names, okay? So whatever the name comes, I just reply them. But I know all students going to write it. That's a great thing. My dear students, your participation make me so energetic. If you're not going to reply me, thank you very much, Daud. I think that I didn't transfer my words. I didn't transfer my lecture well. So when you're going to reply me, I feel happy. Thank you very much. Thanks for your participation. Now, let me go back to the slide or the lecture that I prepared for you. Now, again, come back and see about the energy. So what is energy? Ability to do work, number one. Number two, in physics, capacity to doing work. I gave you an example here. It's very common. During fasting, whatever, in the morning, whatever you eat, after that you sleep. But at the time of the iftar time, at the time of Maghrib, when you're going to eat something, before that time, you feel lazy. Even you can't move properly, you feel tired. What happened? The energy level in your body start to drop because your stomach is empty. You are not going to eat enough from the morning to till Maghrib, and that's going to decrease energy level. But after eating again during the fasting and after the eating, whatever you're going to eat, that again start to give you energy, and it's going to boost your body and you again become energetic. So this is the most simple example that you experience many times in your life. If anyone of you want to give me any example about the energy, he can raise his hand. Please. Anyone who want to tell me, Mr. That is the energy, please? Yes, Samim.
It's like a car engine, Mr. With when we are putting the fuel.
Well done. Excellent, Tamim. Well done, my dear. You are absolutely right. What happened in the car engine, how it start to move, then we add in the tank of the car as petrol or benzene, whatever we're going to add. After, when we're going to start the car, burning is start there. The benzene or the petrol start to catch fire. When it catch fire, what happened? It start to give energy to the engine, and then the engine is start to move. That movement is connected to the wheels of the car, and your car is start to running. So that is also the best example. Well done, my dear. Excellent. So till here, if you have any question, my dear, please raise your hand. Otherwise, type no. Okay, great, great. Well done. Good. Very nice, my dear students.